Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda. It's still Thanksgiving, and I'm still doing my thing here. Okay, I'm just going to prepare some stuffing, dressing, lobster dressing. Watch me do it. Okay, I'm just adding this lobster to the pot, a little bit of water, and I'm going to allow it to cook just until it turns orange, changes its color. Okay, there you have it. But I'm just going to allow it a few more, like about a minute or so, just to do. I've already shut the stove off. Okay, here I am just cutting it up into bite sizes, just separating them, separating the cuts. I don't want one person to have all of the meat now. Come on, share it out. Now you can put conch, lobster, pieces of the turkey, like the gizzards or whatever piece. I normally would use the neck, but I'm only using the breast and some wings. I'm using stovetop dressing. So watch me give you my take on this. Just watch it. Don't go nowhere. Let's go. This is stovetop. Whenever I make the stovetop, use the stovetop directions on the back of the box. Oh, I don't know. For some reason, it doesn't go well in here. But now, since I've learned how to do it like this, they love it. And I'm sure you will too. Stay tuned. Stay focused. Watch it. So you can add whatever type of meat you want to this. It doesn't have to be lobster. Whatever you want, add it in. Okay, now I'm just using this amount of butter because I'm using the broth from the turkey, and that has fat in it already. So this would be sufficient for me. Now, if you want to use more than this, feel free. Okay, remember I always say, you can add, multiply, subtract, or divide. Whatever you want more of, work it. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of cornmeal, but let me just, okay, rinse my hand. Okay, that's the cornmeal, just a little bit. I don't like too much of the cornmeal in, but just a little bit would do it. Some parsley flakes. All right, just that. Mine parsley is already in it, but I just want to add a little bit more. I'm making this my own today. You don't have to follow the directions on the box. You can if you wish, but you have to learn how to make stuff your own. Work it. So I'm just combining everything together before adding the liquid. Oh my word. Seasonings are already in this, so you don't have to add any additional seasonings to this. For God's sake, I've already added garlic, onion, celery, green pepper, and the onion. So you don't need to add anything else. If you wish, you can, but that's it for me. That's it for me. Get everything combined up together, mixed up together. Now it's time for the turkey broth. Okay, I have some turkey wings going on in here, as well as the turkey breast. I didn't want to get the whole turkey because it's going to be too much. I have other meats that we're going to have today. Okay, just add this all in. This is already seasoned, so please. That turkey was in brine overnight, so you know that's going to be lit. Okay, that's it. Get that all mixed up. Distribute the goodness to all of the breadcrumbs, the lobster, and all of the herbs. Okay, that's about 1 cup. I will be listing all of the measurements and the ingredients in the description box. Okay, this is a 1/2 cup of water, plain old water. Okay, mix all of this up together. This is easy. Instead of putting it on the stove top, as the box says, stick it in the oven. Work it. The crust on it makes the difference. I don't know about you, but I don't like it smushy. I like it more on the firm side. We like it on the firm side. Oh yes. Try it. You have to learn how to make things your own. Bring it home. Bring the restaurant home. Okay, that should do it. I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of this parsley. Now, if you have the fresh parsley, work it. Just a little bit at the top. See, this already has broth in it, so I just add some more. That's why the sodium content is extremely high. So I add the broth as well as some water. I'm just getting some foil to cover it down. You have to cover it down. The steam is going to make it even soft and fluffy. Okay, it's going to have a crust, but it's going to be nice. Now I have the turkey and the candied yams going on in the oven. It's at 350. Okay, that's right there. That's after 10 minutes. Look at it. Oh my word, with the cover on. Oh, just fluffing it up a bit. And this is where I can get a little taste. Okay, let me see what's going on here. It's a little hot, so that's it. I approve it. Okay, this is it right here. After 5 minutes, extra without the cover, that's what you're looking for. Look at the crust. Oh my word. That's the spread. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Give it a try. Leave a comment. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.